We can experiment. We'll see how far down the stairs go, because we did not kind of plan for stairs.
Yeah, I know, right?
Look at these strollers, aren't they beautiful? They can go down the stairs. We are actually at a park right now. We are having a play date. Well, Bree's having a play date today with one of her friends here in Michigan. She's asleep in the back. She's whimpering. She probably hears me talking. But we're about to get out soon. Actually in the car waiting for them to arrive. This park is very large. It has a river, a bunch of different trails, of course a jungle gym, swing, slides. So it should be a fun little play date. This may be a fail. Huh?
They're not even like the big ones where you could like try to stroll down.
Right.
Wide stairs.
That's...
Real,
I doubt someone will steal strollers. But do you want to carry him is the question.
we can park right here and just keep him right here and then we can carry him. Let me see how many stairs.
We can experiment. We'll see how far down the stairs go, because we did not kind of plan for stairs.
Yeah, I know, right?
Look at these strollers, aren't they beautiful? They can go down the stairs. Yeah. Do you see the river? Yeah. There are so many bugs. Why do I do this? I don't like outdoors. Yeah. We're here at the ledges. Bree is looking at everything that she can see. Look. Yeah. Look at that. You can't see anything. The water's too murky.
I think we made it.
That was easy.
Yeah.
There's so many little bugs.
I know. Like these are all gnats. Like, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
What is that, girl?
No, ma'am. No. That's a beaver.
Oh, is it?
Look, it's a beaver, but he just ran the other way. Okay. So let's...
I got chased by a giant rat.
What?
Before. Yeah. It
Where?
was easy to see, actually.
Oh, yep.
Exactly. So anything.
I think I walked into a spider web. Yes, Bree.
All right. So.
Can you see something?
Moving on.
Stand there. We love your hat. Can we see? There's the vase. Yay, cutie pie. He's exploring. Come on, Bree. Let's go. Bye-byes. Making big steps. There's an ant. I know. Scary. Just gotta walk around him. Keep your head low. That was a nice little run. The ledges!
Yay! What's that? Wow. Pretty cool, isn't it? The ledges are real.
I feel itchy, like things are could possibly bite us. Yeah, but we don't want to go too close. We are at the ledges.
Yay!
And it was a little bit creepy getting up here, but
We made it.
we arrived.
Bree wants to jump into the water.
Do you want to jump into the river, Bree? Say hi. All right, do you want to keep going, or you want to go to the park?
I don't see any more ledges down there.
No, I think this is it. I think this is, yeah.
Alright, we did it though. We did it.
We're heading back. All right, let's go, Bree.
Hey, see?
There they go.
Ready? 1,
2.
3, woo! Yay!
Yeah.
Hey, Bree! Say, come on up, Bree. Come hang out. Daddy!
Oh, you're a riot.
Woo! Alright, down we go, kid.